What I'm about to speak to you now about is the click options and the metronome options. Now, the click is basically a metronome that allows you to listen to the grid within your track. Now, the click can also be affected in different ways as far as the way it's played. Now, to actually create a click, I just have to create a new track, make sure that's the audio so that you can record with it. Once this is created, I can go to my plugins and assign it a click within the instrument. Now, within the instrument, you're going to hear it play, and it's going to basically just play once every beat. Now, what I could do is change the accented a little bit higher so that on one, it's just going to be a little bit louder than the rest of them. This helps as far as creating a little bit more of a rocking mood, just so you know at the beginning of each verse and each statement where to play certain things. Once this is all set, you can turn off your click just by muting it, or by going onto the click and clicking no insert.